Alright, so I figured it would be about time to give you guys an update on what I've been working on for my senior capstone project. I have been working on developing a multi-window application sort of framework on top of open frameworks, specifically for tangible user interfaces, namely a touchscreen, which is what our senior project is all about, a big touchscreen table. So I've started to develop an add-on. It's most of the way done, where windows can operate side by side and they're all touch enabled. So if you'll imagine that this is a touch screen, I'll get this running here, and I am using my Android device to sort of fake out the TUYO data. So the touch screen on here goes to the Raspberry Pi. Very big thanks to TUYO Droid, whoever developed that. It's been a very helpful tool in this process. But basically what you're seeing here is two separate windows, which are both quite similar, but they operate in very different ways. So this top one here that I started to move around here, as if I touched and moved it where I wanted it, this is basically an application window, and so you see a ball bouncing around in it. That's just my simple sort of proof of concept. It operates as if it were an application in a totally separate way. So the top left corner does panning of the window. I decided I didn't want to have any touch move the window, since clearly you need to be able to interact with what's going on inside if we want to make this a truly touch enabled sort of thing. If you grab the bottom right corner, you're able to resize and rotate, which is quite nice, and the ball stays in it. I wanted to make it really simple so that future developers, all you have to do is it's basically make a couple of calls to rotate the axes and everything stays inside nicely. It's as if you're developing an app in a standard window. So that's sort of my looking ahead. I really want to be able to extend this eventually to work quite nicely with open frameworks as it stands, and get people writing on this who are interested in the multi-touch sort of world. So this one over here, this other one, is a menu, just sort of simple thing. I threw up together a few menu items on there. They don't actually do anything yet, but they all will have listeners attached to them so that they'll be able to know when they're touched, in which case you can execute really whatever you want. My plan is to have multiple programs or multiple of these other windowed apps associated with those buttons so that they can pull up the different applications. For our senior project, we're aiming for probably about 3 applications. We're aiming for, in our requirement specification, it says 6 people, and each application would have some sort of collaborative element to it, meaning I figure 2 people at 3 apps, that's 6 people. Great, our acceptance tests are done. Anyway, just wanted to show you what I've been doing. There you have it, 2 windows moving simultaneously, ball bouncing around in one, as if it were its own running application, which it basically is. And that's what I'm going for. So thanks for watching, and I'll try to keep you updated.